Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Narikxa. For those who are new here, karibuni sana. For those who have been here, thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, it's an exciting video for me. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I'm thankful to God. I'm really thankful. I've been waiting like for this day to do like such a video. I've been seeing like other YouTubers doing it, and I was like, I at a maybe like one day I'll be able to do one, and I'm so excited. I'm so thankful to God. I don't know how I can appreciate God for what He has done for us. I'm so happy. So before like I continue, I'm going to be showing you guys like an empty house tour. Yeah, it's going to be a raw empty house tour since like we haven't painted. Yeah, the guys who are supposed to paint, they're supposed to paint like tomorrow, and I see like it will a delay in terms of moving and all that. So I decided, let me just go and do like a house tour today so that they can continue with the painting and all that tomorrow. So this time it will be just raw, but don't worry, I'll be taking you guys in the process on how it will be looking, the DIYs that I'll be doing, the painting, any like a lot of stuff. I'm going to do a lot of stuff in that house. So guys, let me take you with me. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and also share. See you in my new house. So this is the entryway. Let me first lock the door. So this is the entryway. Like we have this corner over here. I'm planning a lot of stuff for this corner. You will see. So this is the living room. So this is the living room. Don't mind, as I told you guys, it hasn't been painted yet. They're going to paint tomorrow. So this is just like a raw house tour. I love the fact that this living room is so big. I can put like, I don't know how many seaters. Expert, how many seaters?
7-seater.
7-seater. I can put 7-seater, but here I can do some stuff in this corner. Here, like I can do my fashion looks from this corner. I still haven't decided like where I'm going to put like the TV and the couch yet, but we shall see. My camera lady there will help me figure it out. So there's also this huge window that I'm in love. This is the first thing that I was in love with. This huge window, when I was looking for a house, we're not thinking like we're going to move into a place where it has like a big window. But as getting this, it was an added advantage. Plus it also has its own balcony. The view, yeah, just chilling and having even a small picnic down there. So yeah, that's it for the living room. I think the next part is the kitchen, right? Yeah, the kitchen. So this is the doorway. You come like this. And those two doors, I'll tell you what they are. So as we open, so this is the kitchen. It's quite dark, but I didn't put like the bulb and all that. So I love the fact that it has all these cabinets. Just look. So all these things they're going to repair tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. 2 days is enough. Here's where I'm going to put the cooker. Yeah, plus some other stuff, fridge and all that I might think of doing. I love the fact that I have a big kitchen. I don't like cooking, but a kitchen being big, it's an advantage.
True. Yeah.
But I don't know what I'm going to be putting inside all these cabinets. But we'll figure it out. But here I know what I'm going to put, the utensils and all that. I love the fact that it doesn't have doors. Doors to close. I love an open kitchen where I can be able like to see my spices, plates and everything, rather than me just doing like this all the time. Right?
True.
And the Kwanza, I'm short, eh? I can be able to reach here easily. Here, I'm going to buy like a small stool that I'll be using to reach over there. Since I'm short.
Short girl problem.
Short girl problem. Yeah, here's the sink and the windows. I'm going to put the fridge over here. Yeah, this way I'm going to put the fridge. And where my camera lady is standing, that's where I'm going to be putting the cooker. Here, though I'm not sure if it will be able to fit. I'm going to measure it so that we can see if it will be able to fit. If it doesn't fit, I think I'll put it here and the gas over there. So we are done with the kitchen. Yeah. So let's go to the, I think I'll show you like the washrooms first. Then I can show you like the other rooms. As you come here, we have this sink where my guests will be doing their skincare, my Mercy guests, and the other guests will be doing their skincare. And I think I'm going to put here something you'll see in the coming future. And this is the washroom. I love the fact that it's big. So yeah, plus I love the color of this bathroom. Plus the tiles, actually they're so clean. The person who left this house left it in a perfect. So let's go to the other door. So this door, when you open it, it's the bathroom. So yeah, it's also big, so sizable. How much is it to share on that mask?
What do you know? Nobody back in space.
Nobody back in space. Yeah? 4 people and we are good to do.
Yeah.
Plus we are near the road, that's why you can hear all that. So as where the camera lady is going, it's a room. It's another bedroom. So this is one of the bedrooms. And this is going to be me and my mom's office. Yeah, that's what I'm planning for it to be. And yeah, to fit, I think everything, the makeup table, the office table and all that, I'm going to decorate it. And I'm going to show you guys on how I'm going to decorate it. And here are the wardrobes. I don't like the wardrobes. Because this is wardrobes. I don't like them. Like Asians.
It looks rustic.
But we will work on it. She's going to give me ideas. We're going to work on it. And I'll put here my clothes. Yeah, here's where I'm going to be putting my clothes and changing and all that. It will be like office stroke
Storage room.
Stroke where I'm going to be dressing.
Yeah.
Stroke everything, eh? Makeup room. And here's where I'm going to put like the trench coats. Actually, where I put my trench coats, they don't fit. They like fold when I put them. So here it's a nice space for my trench coats. So let's go to the balcony where we're washing my stuff. So here is the door. Here's the laundry area where I'm going to be washing. I love the fact that it has a tap. Hey, actually sikumwagilia maji. Maji mbona hatuna?
Hawajafungulia, it's a new house. Ujalipia.
Hey, make sure tumeleta.
No, but I'm sure there is water ni venye.
Oh, yeah,
Lazima wafungue.
It's big. I can put my washing machine there. I can sit here and just
chill,
watch, view everything. I love it.
Look at that. Views.
So let's go to the master bedroom. Yeah. So this is another hallway that we go through, and I love the fact that I can do some dancing over here and catwalking over here before I go to the main room. So this is the master bedroom. It's so big. I love it. I love it. It can fit my bed. Plus the mirror. I think in a mirror, maybe I'll put it here. I'll have the other room. We buy another mirror. You know? Yeah. It can fit the mirror. I love the cabinet. Because me, I prefer hanging things. especially dresses, so that I can see what I have. Because when I put them in the suitcase, sometimes I forget like this is the dress that I have. So I love the fact that I can hang my dresses there, coats there. So here we put this
Short girl problems. Short girl problems.
the suitcases, I'm going to put them there. Yeah, they'll fit inside there as we put other stuff over here. So let me show you like the bathroom. It's an in-suite. So here it looks like. So here it will only fit only 2 people.
Of course, it's for 2 people. Lakini tukifos tuko watatu.
Yeah, by the time it can fit 3 people. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to also install some mirrors so that when I do my skincare, plus some shelves so that when I do my skincare, it's easy for me. I love the fact it has this big mirror. It has curtain rods. I'm going to put some curtains that my sister gifted me. They've been waiting for this moment. So those curtains, I'm going to put them here. So anyway guys, this is where the video ends. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. And I'm really grateful to God. I don't know how I can thank God, but He knows how excited I am. He knows how grateful I am. I'm really thankful to God for this new channel that we are starting. Anyway guys, I think I'll see you on my next video. I don't know when this video will be up, but I know by the time it's up, we will have already moved in. But we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.